Hi guys, I am here with another video of back to school nail art designs. I have made a lot of videos on this topic because back to school nail art ideas are very cute and beautiful nail art ideas for teenagers. Teenagers loves to care her nails and they want to look beautiful with nail arts. So I'm going to show you some beautiful nail art designs for back to school girls. They can create these nail art designs easily at their home and enjoy their looks. They can create these nail arts on their short and long nails. If anyone wants to see any tutorial, then they tell me in the comment section. I'll soon start my nail tutorial journey. Keep watching my videos on these cute and trendy nail art designs ideas. If you want to see any other back to school nail art ideas, then see my other videos. And if you want to see any other unique nail tutorials or nail ideas, then tell me in the comment section. I hope you enjoy this video and these nail art designs. All these nail arts are very cute and trendy for summer or back to school nails. Teenagers can try out all these nail arts and enjoy their beautiful summer look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the next exciting nail art trend and nail art videos. Thank you.